This is where you can find innovation. This is where you can find opportunity. This is where you find and stumble across 3M Post-it notes.
Right.
Because it was an accident. It wasn't supposed to be there. They were behind, and you had a secretary that liked it. And all of a sudden, they're like, wow, we could do this and change our whole business model. Yes, you can. Right.
Yep.
So don't look at it as an opportunity. Don't look at it as the holy shit, we're all going to get fired.
Right. And you actually just brought up a really good point of bringing somebody else in that might not necessarily know all the inner workings, but having them come in to listen in on what the brainstorming suggestions are, because again, they may be the one that has that great idea to help figure out what it is that's going to solve the gap. All because they look at it differently. They heard it differently.
Yeah.
They see it differently.
Having a shop floor guy come into a sales meeting, as much as it may be awkward and really weird, that shop floor guy might give you the key that you never thought of as the key feature to go win the big deal. Because now you're talking through it differently, and you're talking through it with somebody that's building the product, knows the product, understands its features and benefits, etc. And it might not be the design engineer. It could be the guy actually making the part. And that client may care about the things that the shop guy understands and knows.
Right. Which is, it's actually refreshing when you bring in a fresh set of eyes at crunch at that 11th hour, that crunch time. Sometimes.
And everybody needs to be open to it. And everybody needs to put their ego at the door.
Right. Yeah. Because so one of my clients right now, they brought in a new employee, and they were a little hesitant because they're like, hey, how are we going to make this work? And, this new employee has a lot of great ideas on things to do, but the other members are hesitant to actually kind of move forward with it. Because, well, what if it doesn't work? Well, what if it does? Well, if it does, then we have more work.